Have you ever felt like you've tried everything to manifest your dreams, but nothing seems to work? You've read the books, meditated, visualized, and said all the right affirmations, but still, your desires feel out of reach. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many of us get stuck in the manifestation process, feeling frustrated and disconnected from the very things we want to attract. But here's the truth. Manifesting is not about forcing things to happen. It's about aligning with the energy of your desires, tuning into the right frequency, and understanding the deeper reasons behind what's blocking you. In this video, I'm going to reveal the hidden reasons why you might be struggling with manifestation and how to break through those barriers. I'll show you the key to shifting your energy so you can start attracting what you truly desire, effortlessly. If you're ready to stop feeling stuck and finally tap into the power of manifestation, keep watching. Together, we'll uncover the secret that could change everything for you. Ready to transform your reality? Let's dive in. Manifesting is often misunderstood as the process of creating something new from nothing. However, the true essence of manifestation lies in revelation, not creation. It's not about pulling things out of thin air, but about uncovering and aligning with what already exists within the energetic field of the universe. Everything you desire, whether it's love, abundance, health, or success, is already available in the infinite energetic realm. These desires are not things that need to be manufactured. They're simply waiting for you to recognize them and tune your energy to match their frequency. The universe is made up of energy, and energy is constantly vibrating at different frequencies. Your desires are a part of this energy spectrum, and when you learn to raise your vibration and match the frequency of your desires, you begin to reveal them in your physical reality. In essence, you are not creating something new, but tapping into the abundance that already exists. To manifest successfully, it's crucial to understand that you are connected to everything in the universe. You don't have to struggle to force things into existence. You simply need to align with the frequency of what you want. This process involves belief, intention, and the willingness to allow what is already yours to flow into your life. The moment you shift your perception and recognize that your desires are already present, you open yourself up to the infinite possibilities that the universe is ready to deliver. Everything in the universe, including yourself, is made of energy. From the physical objects around you to your thoughts and emotions, everything is in a constant state of vibration. Energy vibrates at different frequencies, and these frequencies carry information. This is a fundamental principle of existence. Everything you see, touch, and experience is energy in motion. The key to manifestation lies in understanding that your thoughts, emotions, and actions all emit specific frequencies into the universe. When it comes to manifesting, understanding energy's role is essential. The frequency at which you vibrate determines the kind of energy you attract. For instance, if you're consistently vibrating at a frequency of positivity and abundance, you will naturally attract experiences, people, and opportunities that match that energy. On the other hand, if your energy is aligned with fear, doubt, or negativity, you will attract circumstances that reflect those vibrations. This is why aligning your energy with your desires is so crucial. Manifesting isn't about forcing things into your life, but rather tuning your vibration to the frequency of what you want. Whether it's health, love, wealth, or success, everything has its own energetic frequency. When you match your energy with the frequency of your desires, you begin to attract what you want with greater ease. Understanding energy and its vibrations can empower you to take control of your reality. By consciously shifting your energy, you align yourself with the flow of the universe and create space for your desires to manifest. Your senses are powerful tools that help you navigate the world, but they do much more than just process external stimuli. They also interpret the energy around you. What you see, hear, touch, taste, and smell are not direct experiences of physical objects, but are actually translations of vibrational frequencies. Every object, person, or situation you encounter is made up of energy vibrating at specific frequencies. Your senses convert these vibrations into sensory experiences, allowing you to perceive the world around you. For instance, when you see an object, your eyes are detecting the light and energy reflecting off that object, and your brain translates these signals into a visual image. Similarly, sounds are vibrations traveling through the air, which your ears pick up and interpret as music, speech, or noise. In essence, your sensory perceptions are like a set of translators, converting the frequencies of energy into forms you can understand. What this means for manifestation is profound. Your perceptions of reality are influenced by the vibrational frequencies you are tuned to. If you are operating at a frequency of abundance, for example, you will see opportunities and possibilities for wealth that may have been invisible to you before. On the other hand, if your vibration is aligned with scarcity or lack, your senses will interpret the world in a way that reinforces those beliefs. Understanding that your senses perceive energy can help you become more aware of the frequencies you are tuning into and shift them to align with the reality you wish to manifest. The feeling of separation between you and your desires is one of the biggest illusions that hinders the manifestation process. In our everyday experience, we often perceive a distance between ourselves and what we want to manifest, whether it's financial abundance, a fulfilling relationship, or personal success. However, this perceived separation is merely a construct of the mind created by our limited perception of reality. In truth, there is no physical or energetic distance between you and your desires. Everything in the universe, including you and your desires, is made of energy. Energy is not bound by space or time, and this means that everything is interconnected. Your desires are not out of reach or in some distant place. They are already present in the energetic field, waiting for you to align with them. The moment you understand that there is no true separation, you begin to dissolve the barriers that prevent you from attracting what you want. Recognizing that your desires are already available to you allows you to step into a state of trust and alignment. Instead of constantly striving or feeling like you need to work hard to manifest, you can focus on shifting your vibration to match that of your desires. As soon as you let go of the illusion of separation and understand that you are already connected to everything you seek, your manifestations flow with more ease and grace. By embracing this oneness, you open the door to the abundant life that is already waiting for you. Everything in the universe is interconnected because everything is energy. At a fundamental level, there is no separation between you, your desires, and the world around you. Whether it's a person, a situation, or an object, everything is made of energy vibrating at different frequencies. When you grasp the truth of this interconnectedness, you begin to see that your desires are not separate from you, but rather an extension of the same energetic field you're part of. This realization is key to manifesting your desires effortlessly. Once you understand that everything is connected through energy, the idea of chasing or striving for what you want becomes unnecessary. Instead, you can shift your focus to aligning your own energy with the frequency of your desires. Since your desires are already part of the same energetic field, all you need to do is tune your vibration to match theirs. This creates a flow, allowing your desires to come to you naturally, without force or struggle. This awareness also allows you to embrace the idea that you are deserving of everything you wish to manifest. If you are already a part of this infinite interconnected energy field, then everything that is good, abundant, and fulfilling is also available to you. When you see yourself as part of the whole, you recognize that receiving your desires is a natural process, and you begin to manifest with ease. By tapping into this interconnectedness, you open yourself up to the effortless flow of everything you desire. Your vibration plays a crucial role in shaping your perception of reality. At any given moment, you are emitting a vibrational frequency, and this frequency determines how you experience the world around you. Simply put, you can only perceive and attract things that match your own vibrational frequency. If your energy is aligned with positivity, abundance, and love, You are more likely to notice and experience those things in your reality. On the other hand, if your vibration is low or negative, you may find yourself focusing on challenges, scarcity, or undesirable experiences. Negative emotions and thoughts can significantly lower your vibration. Feelings like anger, fear, sadness, and frustration create a dense energy that blocks the flow of positive experiences. When you're in this state, it becomes difficult to perceive the good things that are already around you because your vibration is not aligned with them. Instead of attracting abundance or love, you might attract more situations that reflect your negative emotional state. Being mindful of your emotional state is essential in maintaining a high vibration. If you find yourself experiencing negative emotions, take a moment to pause and shift your focus. Practice self-awareness, breathe deeply, and choose thoughts or actions that help elevate your mood. By consciously raising your vibration, you open yourself up to more positive experiences and opportunities. Remember, your vibration dictates how you perceive the world, so when you align it with positivity, you naturally attract the things you desire. Emotions play a powerful role in the manifestation process because they are directly tied to your vibrational frequency. Your emotional state is a reflection of the energy you are emitting into the world. When you experience positive emotions like joy, love, and gratitude, your vibration naturally rises, and you align more closely with the frequency of your desires. In contrast, negative emotions such as fear, anger, or sadness lower your vibrational frequency, making it harder to manifest the things you want. A negative mood creates a mismatch between your energy and the energy of your desires. For example, if you desire abundance but are constantly feeling anxious or fearful about money, your vibration is not in harmony with the frequency of wealth. Instead of attracting financial abundance, you may attract more situations that reinforce your feelings of lack and scarcity. This is why your emotional state is so important in the manifestation process. It serves as a powerful indicator of whether you're in alignment with your desires or blocking them. Learning to shift your emotional state is key to manifesting effectively. When you notice yourself in a negative emotional state, take conscious steps to shift your energy. Practice mindfulness, engage in activities that make you feel good, or use positive affirmations to raise your vibration. By making a habit of shifting your emotions, you create a flow of positive energy that attracts the things you desire, making manifestation feel effortless and natural. Manifesting is much like tuning into a specific radio station. To hear the music or content you want, you must adjust your radio dial to the right frequency. Similarly, to manifest your desires, you must adjust your vibrational frequency to match the frequency of what you wish to attract. Everything in the universe, including your desires, exists as energy vibrating at a specific frequency. Whether you want abundance, love, health, or success, each of these desires has its own unique vibrational frequency. When you align your vibration with the frequency of your desires, you open yourself up to receiving them effortlessly. For example, if you desire financial abundance but are focused on feelings of scarcity, your vibration is not aligned with the frequency of wealth. Instead, you are sending out signals that attract more lack. Conversely, if you focus on thoughts and emotions of abundance and gratitude, you raise your vibration to match the frequency of prosperity, thereby attracting more of it into your life. To manifest successfully, it's essential to be conscious of your emotional and mental state. Practices like meditation, visualization, and affirmations can help raise your vibration and align it with your desires. When your vibration matches the frequency of what you want, manifestation becomes a natural process. It's not about forcing things into being, it's about tuning your energy to the right station and allowing the universe to bring your desires into your reality. To manifest your desires, it's essential to align your internal frequency with the frequency of what you want to attract. Everything in the universe, including your desires, vibrates at a specific frequency. If you're looking to attract abundance, love, health, or success, you need to match your energy with the frequency of those things. It's not enough to just wish for them. You must tune your vibration to resonate with them. Aligning your frequency requires changing your internal state. This means shifting your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs to match the vibration of your desires. For example, if you want to attract abundance but constantly feel stressed about money, your emotional state is vibrating at a frequency of lack, not abundance. To change this, you need to shift your thoughts and emotions toward feelings of gratitude, abundance, and trust. This can be done through practices like visualization, affirmations, and focusing on the abundance that already exists in your life. Mental and emotional shifts are key to this process. The way you think and feel shapes the frequency you emit. When you begin to cultivate positive, empowering thoughts and emotions, you raise your vibration to align with the desires you seek. This alignment creates a magnetic field that attracts the people, opportunities, and experiences that match your energy. When you tune yourself to the frequency of your desires, manifesting becomes a natural process, and you'll effortlessly draw in what you've been wanting. There's a profound truth about the nature of reality. It is not fixed or singular. Instead, multiple realities exist, each representing different potential outcomes based on the choices we make and the frequencies we vibrate at. Every possibility, every dream, and every desire exists as a potential reality in the energetic field. These parallel realities are already out there, waiting for you to align with them. In one of these infinite realities, you already possess everything you desire, whether it's financial abundance, love, health, or success. The person you want to be, the life you want to live, and the experiences you want to have all already exist in another version of reality. The key to manifesting them into your current experience is to match your vibrational frequency to the frequency of that desired reality. This process involves aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy of the life you want to live. If you want to attract wealth, for example, you need to tune your vibration to the frequency of abundance by thinking positively about money, feeling gratitude for what you already have, and taking inspired actions that reflect a mindset of prosperity. Once you match your energy to the frequency of your desired reality, you begin to pull that reality into your current experience. Recognizing the existence of infinite possibilities empowers you to shift your vibration and consciously choose the reality you wish to experience, making manifestation a natural and accessible process. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you the clarity and tools you need to break through the barriers that have been blocking your manifestation journey. Remember, everything you desire is already available to you. It's about aligning your energy and believing you are worthy of it. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on more tips and insights to help you create the life you truly want. I'd love to hear from you. What is one belief or action you're going to change to start manifesting more effectively? Drop a comment below and let me know. Sharing your thoughts helps create a positive, supportive community where we can all grow together. Keep believing, keep aligning, and keep manifesting. See you in the next video.